On Saturday, February 6, 2021, at approximately 3:32 a.m., a black Mercedes ran a red light and was speeding. After the officers stopped the car, they found that the driver was a 19-year-old white female. Upon a quick observation of the driver, an unexpected event occurred.
Hello.
Sorry, I just wanted to get home. I ran the red light. I didn't think anyone was...
Gotcha.
I'm sorry.
All right. Well, you were doing almost 60 miles an hour on corporate as well.
I'm sorry. I just really wanted to get home. I was having a bad night.
Gotcha.
I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I live here. I live in building apartment.
Okay. Can I see your driver's license registration, please?
I have my registration with me, but I lost my driver's license.
Okay. Do you have a picture of it or anything by chance?
My phone is dead.
Just for a single one investigation. You don't have your registration either?
I should have it. I don't know why I don't have it, but...
Where are you coming from tonight? Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from downtown.
Okay. What's your name? What's your last name? Okay.
331.
Spell your first name for me?
Yes.
Middle name? Okay. What's your 2001, so that makes you what, 19?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so you said you were downtown. Where downtown?
We're first at Tier, then we went...
I think Julie said she was going. Okay. Go ahead. You were at Tier and then...
Then we went to Saddle.
So, how are you getting into the bars if you don't have ID?
We can still go in there if we don't have... It's just they X us. We like...
Gotcha. Well, you have a wristband on. So you
Somehow we know people.
Somehow you know people? Not that you have a fake ID or anything? No? You don't believe that, right? Because I know the bars downtown are pretty good at IDing people. So you want to just give me your fake ID then?
Can I just go home, please?
Well, we'll get to that. Right now,
I live right there.
I get you. Well, let me see your fake ID.
I don't have... I'm just going home. I have... If my phone would charge... Oh, it's charged. I have a picture of my UCS student ID.
Okay.
If that helps.
It does help a little bit.
Okay.
During the conversation, the officer inquired about her alcohol consumption, to which she stated she had consumed a single vodka and cranberry. Upon conversing with the officer, he noticed a yellow band on her right wrist, commonly used at establishments to identify individuals above the age of 21. However, the individual in question was 19 years old. Based on the officer's observations, she expressed concern for her well-being and asked if she would be willing to perform field sobriety exercises. She consented. Once outside the vehicle, the officer detected a strong smell of alcohol emanating from her breath and person. Additionally, the officer observed that her eyes were bloodshot and glossy.
I want to check to make sure that you're okay to drive, okay? Do you mind doing some field sobriety exercises with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah. I'm just not wearing shoes, but yeah.
Okay.
Can you call me real quick?
All right. You can close your door.
I'm sorry, my phone's in my house.
Okay, Sarge, can you shut off your lights? All right, I'm going to ask you a series of questions just to check on you, okay? Are you wearing contact lenses or glasses?
I am.
You are? Okay, are they hard contacts, soft contacts?
They're soft.
Soft? Okay. Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist right now?
No.
No? Are you on any medication? Okay. Have you had any head injuries in the past,
No.
concussions? Do you have any mechanical issues with your vehicle?
No.
Okay. When's the last time you ate something?
A couple hours ago I had a really big dinner.
Okay, what did you have for dinner?
I had a whole, ribeye steak.
Whole ribeye
with
steak?
Mashed potatoes and vegetables.
Okay. And about what time was that at?
Around 8.
8?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And when's the last time you drank anything?
Around 10.
Around 10? Okay. Without looking at a phone or a watch right now, do you know what time it is?
Maybe 2.
2? Okay. It's actually almost 4. It's 3:40.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any ailments? Any like thick legs? Any arms? Anything like that? Okay. And just cold.
Yeah.
And do you mind submitting to some other field sobriety exercises with me?
Sure.
Okay. I'm going to have you face this way, so look at me, okay? I'm going to go ahead and check your eyes.
Based on her driving pattern, personal contact, and performance of the exercises, officer determined that the driver's normal faculties were impaired. She was arrested for driving under the influence.
Face your car for me. Okay. You got it. Go ahead, please. Hands on it. Face your car. Okay, based on the performance of the exercises, okay, I believe that you are intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Please
Okay,
don't do
stop
this.
moving. Stop moving. Okay, I think you're
Please.
intoxicated to the point that you are not safe to operate a motor vehicle.
Please don't do this. I will literally.
Don't.
Okay,
It's
stop
too late.
moving.
Do you have a phone or wallet or anything you want to take with you?
Why are you doing this?
Because you're under the influence of.
I'm home. Please just.
Do you have a phone or wallet or anything you need to take with you?
Please.
I don't want to leave it in the car. Do you have something that you want to take with you? What would you like? You're not going to be able to take a purse, but if you have like a wallet or something in there, your driver's license, that you could take. Is that in your purse?
I have my phone.
Okay, is your ID in your purse? Okay, do you need anything out of
I don't have my. I told you guys I
Okay.
lost my ID.
Do you need anything out of your purse?
No,
Okay,
please don't
where-
do this. My parents are gonna be so mad.
Okay.
Please. Please.
You want to?
Well, this part's already done. So the only
Put her in.
point is just about what do you need out of your car? Just your phone or anything else? Okay, we'll grab your phone for you.
I'm okay. I promise. Please.
Okay.
No.
Yes, come on.
Yes, come with me. Come with me.
Please.
Go ahead and take a seat.
I'm literally okay.
You gonna grab her phone?
Go ahead,
Why
step
are
out.
you doing
Step
this?
out for a second. Okay. How did you get the handcuffs off?
I don't know.
Put your hands back behind your back. Do not try to take the handcuffs off again.
Why are you doing
Because
this?
you're under arrest for DUI.
Greg, here's her phone.
Alright.
Are you 26 to my last traffic? You 20? It's right in the front seat. Okay. You 26 to my last traffic?
No.
Okay. I got a 38 coming.
Okay.
So if you want to just 26 for a second.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you search on it real quick? Sorry, will you stand by with? Appreciate it.
I would not be surprised if there was a little combo there.
You want me to search the back?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, here you go. Here's her bong. And her grinder.
Cool.
And her other bong.
You just face this. You face the top. Go ahead, spread your feet.
Huh.
What's that?
My business card is in her car. Here is a ID that does not belong to her.
Let's go step out of the vehicle. Follow me. We're gonna go to the side door. Would you like me to pull up your sweater?
It's okay.
No.
How far is?
It's right next door. 51 to BRC. Starting is the same as ending. Good morning. One white female UCF.
Wait.
Yep. Here. Where is it at?
It's right there.
Right
Sorry.
there? No, you're fine. Okay. Like I said, do you want me to go ahead and zip up your jacket for you?
Yeah.
Or lift it up at least?
Just lift it up.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Very short. Very soon. I know they're uncomfortable. So go ahead, just stand here. What they're going to do is a female is going to come out, do a search on you real quick, and then they're going to check your temperature. Just give me a second. Let me get her in, and then can I give you a call back in a couple of seconds? All right, appreciate it. All right, bye.